Have you ever woken up after a full 8 hours of sleep, but your brain still feels like it is trapped inside a thick, heavy cloud of absolute mush? You try to focus, you try to work, but your mental energy is just completely drained before the day even begins. Listen up, because this is not you just being lazy, and it is definitely not a lack of willpower. What you are experiencing is a literal physical buildup of toxic garbage inside your skull. Yes, you heard me right. Actual waste material is clogging up your brain's neural pathways. Today, we are diving deep into the most mind-blowing, hidden mechanism inside your head, the glymphatic system. This is your brain's ultimate, silent waste management system, and it is the absolute master architect of your daily focus, your raw mental energy, and your overall psychological well-being. Imagine your brain as a massive, bustling metropolis. During the day, millions of neurons are firing at lightning speed, processing information, solving problems, and creating memories. But just like any massive city, this intense level of non-stop activity generates a massive amount of metabolic trash and cellular debris. By the time the sun goes down, the streets of your brain city are absolutely littered with toxic byproducts. One of the most notorious villains in this microscopic trash pile is a protein called amyloid beta. If this stuff builds up, it literally suffocates your ability to think clearly. Enter the glymphatic system, the ultimate superhero of your nighttime biology. When you finally close your eyes and drop into deep restorative sleep, your brain cells actually shrink. They reduce in size by up to 60%, creating wide-open highways between your neurons for the cleanup crew. Suddenly, a powerful wave of cerebrospinal fluid rushes through these newly opened channels. It acts exactly like a high-pressure power washer, aggressively scrubbing away all the toxic proteins, dead cells, and metabolic waste that accumulated during your stressful day. It flushes all that garbage straight out of your brain. This phenomenal biological power wash is the exact reason why you wake up feeling sharp, energized, and ready to conquer the world. When the glymphatic system works perfectly, your focus is razor sharp. You can solve complex problems, maintain emotional balance, and perform at your absolute peak psychological state. But here is the terrifying part. In our modern, fast-paced world, we are constantly sabotaging this vital cleaning process. We stay up late scrolling on our phones, we stress out, and we sacrifice deep sleep. When you cut your sleep short, you cancel the brain's power washing cycle halfway through. The result? You wake up with yesterday's toxic garbage still rotting inside your brain. This is the exact scientific cause of that dreaded brain fog. Your neurons are literally struggling to communicate through a swamp of cellular waste, destroying your attention span and completely wrecking your mood for the day. And it gets even crazier. Chronic neglect of your glymphatic system doesn't just ruin your productivity today. It sets the stage for massive psychological decline later in life. Scientists have directly linked the long-term buildup of these exact unwashed proteins to severe cognitive diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia. So, how do we supercharge this amazing brain janitor and unlock limitless mental energy? First, you absolutely must prioritize deep, uninterrupted sleep. But did you know that your sleeping position actually matters? Studies show that sleeping on your side, specifically the right side, maximizes the efficiency of this fluid flush. That's right, side sleeping aligns your brain's blood vessels and gravity perfectly, allowing the cerebrospinal fluid to flow with maximum force. Next up, you need to get your blood pumping during the day. Intense cardiovascular exercise significantly boosts the power and efficiency of your glymphatic system when you finally rest. You also need to stop eating heavy meals right before bed. Digesting a massive dinner forces your body to divert critical energy away from brain maintenance and down into your stomach. Give your body at least 3 hours to digest so your brain can get the full power wash treatment. By taking control of your sleep habits, your exercise, and your nighttime routine, you are literally giving your brain the ultimate daily reset. You will banish brain fog forever, skyrocket your daily focus, and protect your psychological health for decades to come. You have the power to upgrade your mind. If this blew your mind and you are ready to optimize your brain's hidden architecture, smash that like button right now. Subscribe to the channel for more explosive psychology secrets, and let me know in the comments below, how many hours of sleep did you get last night? See you next time.